What's up guys, it's Matt from DUCKCHAR. We're back again to make another duck video for you today. This one, we're trying something completely new. We're making stuffed duck. Let's get it on. So here we have our DUCKCHAR Moulard Duck Breast. It's big, it's beefy, it's gonna taste fantastic on the grill, and it's gonna taste even better when we put this delicious homemade stuffing into it. It's really easy to make. Two keys to a good stuffing. Keep it simple and use fresh ingredients. We have some fresh basil, we have some fresh rosemary, gonna add great aromas to the stuffing. Man, this smells so good. Can I keep the leftovers? Then we're gonna round it out with some classic cooking ingredients, some shallots, some garlic, a little bit of salt and pepper, and then our most important and not so secret main ingredient, duck fat, because it makes everything taste better. Now we're just chopping up the garlic. We've already got the rosemary and basil ready to go. After this, we'll just have the shallots and then toss in some salt and pepper and the duck fat, and the stuffing will be ready to go. So we have our basil, our rosemary, our garlic, our shallots, our fennel seeds, some salt, some pepper, and most importantly, we have our duck fat, which is what we're gonna kind of use the glue to bring everything together. The other huge plus of using the duck fat in the stuffing is that the Moulard duck breast is really lean meat, and it doesn't really have any fat in the actual meat. So by putting this duck fat in the stuffing and putting it inside the duck breast, we're gonna inject this big time flavor right into it. It's gonna taste amazing. Whoop-ah! All right, so now we're doing the mixing. Throw in salt and pepper. Wow. It's really just smells amazing. It smells just like my grandmother's garden. There's lots of duck fat laying around. All right, now getting close to this. Look at how great that looks. I mean, you're gonna have to believe me because you can't smell it, but it smells amazing. So here we have our gorgeous DUCKCHAR Moulard Duck Breast. It weighs about a pound. It's just super beefy, great meat, great fat cap on it, so it's gonna have a lot of flavor and have this amazing richness that you just can't find in any other meat. So to stuff the duck breast, we're gonna just make it a little cut along the side of the meat right here and create a nice pocket and just pile in that stuffing. I'm making the first cut. It doesn't need to be super deep. You don't want to go too far. Just keep doing little baby slices, making it bigger and bigger. All right, now we're gonna flip it over and just score the skin really quick. The only rule to scoring is don't slice into the meat. So you just want nice, simple, light slices. The reason you score the skin is so that all of this juicy, delicious fat, where all the flavor really is, will render off. And the other big side bonus is that the skin gets really crispy when you score it and adds this great crunch. Flavorful crunch to every bite. Now we're gonna stuff it. You know, there's so many easy steps to this recipe, it's hard to pick out the easiest, but this might just be it. Putting the stuffing in the duck breast. You really just wanna pile it in there. You're gonna close it up and then hit the duck breast with salt and pepper on both sides. Don't be shy in using that salt and pepper. All right, so we're finishing up with salt and pepper in both sides. Next, it's time for the Traeger. We're gonna throw it on about 400 degrees. Leave it on there until it hits the internal temperature of 125. Take it off, throw it in the cast iron so we can sear it, get that nice crispy skin and that medium rare finish. Pull it off about 135 off the cast iron. So we got the grill's ready to go. We're gonna throw the duck on. Now we're using a Traeger because we have one, but you can also just do this in the oven right at home. Very simple. There we go. The duck breast has been on there for about 12 minutes. It's just hit an internal temperature of 125. It's time to take it off and sear. I'm gonna flip it over just very quickly. The duck is ready, the skin is crispy. We're ready to slice into this thing. So tender. Look how gorgeous that is. Just more juice than the meat can even handle. Stuffing just adds this amazing fresh aroma to the duck. I'm really excited to eat it. Really happy with the way the meat came out. The skin is super crispy. The meat is very juicy. It's time to try this thing. I'm going for the big one. Wow, that is so flavorful. The stuffing, it gives this great flavor to it, but it also gives an amazing, an amazing crunch. It really complements the crispy skin. It's really, really good. I have some in there. That's it, that's all. Thanks for watching, guys. It's time for me to eat some stuffed duck breast, and it's time for you to make it. Damn. It's good.